Arboretum. Where did we North Carolina Arboretum. But you got to go through the gatehouse first, and then there's like a main parking area by the visitor center and all that. This doesn't really show where we're currently at, but we come in this way, and this is like the main parking area, visitor center, and stuff like that. They are having a power failure currently, so like the visitor center and all that's closed, but hopefully, so yeah, we're just going to roam around the gardens and stuff, just wherever Sally can roam around. Several people here today. Yeah. I don't think I can go in. Oh, that's nice. They have a thing for dogs. Oh, that's cute down there. Looks like they've got like little kids activities and stuff. Yep. Oh, I wonder if the trail's closed. Oh, that bites. Do not enter. Okay, well, they need that up there instead of us wasting our time walking down here for the trail to be closed. So I guess we'll walk back up by the visitor center. Interesting looking tree. So we came back up the hill and took a left on this little gravel road. So the trail we would have took comes out right here. So I guess maybe we go up the stairs. It's like beautiful. So many pretty flowers. I wonder if they got the power back. I see lights on. So there's a bunch of like pictures, like National Geographic images and stuff in here. So amazing. Look at that guy. Whatever that is. Oh, there's some fish. No, you're not getting in that.
That's one
Beautiful trumpet vine. I must yet for time keep the plan before me as a sculptor keeps his work under damp cloths and plastic. It's an interesting looking little.
Jasper.
There's like a little miniature like train.
Well, where do you see it?
Train setup. Little like amphitheater type thing. So here's the schedule for the railroad. That's pretty cool. So this is the bonsai exhibit. They do not allow dogs. They allow service dogs, but that's it. So unfortunately, I will let my parents walk through, and then they'll watch Sally while I walk through. Let's see. Bonsai? Oh, I didn't know that. I always said bonsai, but they say bonsai. Bonsai. From basin and to plant. So we'll kind of walk around the outside while my parents on the inside. I love the gates. Just another view of the bonsai garden from the outside looking in. Come on. So here's the northern kind of entrance to the bonsai garden. No. This is as far as we can go. So here's the... okay. So most of their bonsais are in winter storage right now. So like they got a bunch of like different trees and stuff. But yeah, so winter storage. Well, that's unfortunate, but that'd be a reason to come back. So we'll just walk around, see what kind of plants they do have. Root pruning. Japanese red pine, that's pretty. So he said there would be more bonsais here and here. Hollywood juniper. So here would be more of the bonsais. Oh, down there's a porta potty. Mazis? Never heard of those either. Oh, look at the yellow! This is really cool. They got all kinds of different like trees and bushes. Oh, there's some trillium. I recognize them. Oh, there's wild ginger. Very cool. Shame we didn't get to see the bonsais, but maybe next time.
I think this. Back 1 inch.
God dang it, one more time. Cool little bench here with the rock metalwork. It's cool. What's that? So this is the education center to the right. There's apparently a bistro in there as well. So I will say I've been walking this in sandals and had no problems. So definitely nothing you need technical footwear for. I like the view. Oh, that's cute. A little owl rock or whatever. Oh, there's a bunch of them.
They're so tiny. Oh, it would just be.
Yeah, turn this one. That's cool. So this is the backside of the visitor center. The gift shop was closed today, so I wasn't able to go in, but overall it's been a great little trip to the North Carolina Arboretum. See the mountains. And yeah, I just really enjoyed the gardens. I feel like we came a little early. It wasn't as bloomed out as we had kind of hoped, but still worth coming to see. If you have the ability, I'd probably recommend hiking in just to avoid the $20 fee. But anyway, we had fun and all that. And I will say that everything was dog friendly except for the buildings, so, and the bonsai garden. Anyway, see you guys next time.